Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm told that the Pixel 3, with the last update that it got, it fixed the audio. So we shall see about that. In this video test right here, you guys will let me know what you think about the audio quality. Well, we'll learn together, because I'm gonna view this footage after. I'm just doing a basic 4K video. Still no 60 FPS on this phone. For whatever reason. Don't know why Google hasn't done it yet. Image quality though is very good, but I'm a video guy. I like to use phones for YouTube and video and stuff like that, so I want to make sure that I'm getting the best quality. So I want to give you a quick video, let you guys see the phone at 4K, see what the audio is like. Now I'm going to switch over to 1080p. Alright guys, now so this is the Galaxy Note 9. I want to give you some sense of the difference in the microphones between these so you can gauge whether or not how you like the audio from the Pixel 3 and if it's actually changed at all. So this is a quick sample just to hear you listen to the audio. Alright, here it is at 1080p. Hopefully the audio is doing good. On the phone, like when you're listening to it, on the phone it sounds amazing. Like I did a test video, just sitting around in my room, and I didn't put it up or anything, and take it off the phone, but it sounds good. Again, here's 1080p. No 60 FPS still. Google, I don't know what's up with that though, for real. I don't know what's up with Google's 1080p video, 60 frames per second video. But this is how they're doing it, and so we gotta take what they give us for now, you know what I'm saying? But there it is, man. That's 1080p at 60 FPS. Hopefully the audio is doing a lot better. You know what I'm saying? It's got a microphone at the top of the phone, one at the back, one at the bottom, and you know, it's what it is. So what you guys think about the audio after the last security patch update? See you in the next video.